The Aryans, the athletes will be performing 3D6 in Catholic style. So ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for this wonderful performance. To encourage the athletes to perform, you can see the three players on each level. And this is the way the Catalans perform. You have no ladders. It's the 3D6. They have already completed the 4 levels from the base, and now the 2 levels are in progress. The 2 kids. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for Aryans, the govindes athletes. This is the first time in history of India where the Indian team, the team from Mumbai will be performing in Catalan style from Spain. They have completed 3D6. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together for this wonderful performance. The Aryans, the athletes. Wonderful performance by Aryans, the athletes for the first time in India where they have performed in style of Catalonia from Spain. This was really artistic, and congratulations, MRTJ, congratulations, Aryans, the athletes.